Hello everyone. In this video, let's analyze a construction company called KNR Constructions. About the company. KNR Construction Limited is an infrastructure project development company. The company was incorporated in 1995 and first listed in the stock market in 2008. At present, as of March 25, 2022, the company was trading at rupees 280 per share with a market cap of 7,800 crore rupees. You can divide the company's project into three. First one, highway projects. Their ongoing major project total worth is around 4,500 crore rupees. The second one is irrigation and water management. The project pipeline worth is around 1,800 crore rupees. And final one is urban water development. At present, there is no ongoing development, but they completed urban water infrastructure management project worth rupees 45 crores in Chalagatta Main Valley in Bangalore. It involves the remodeling of primary, secondary storm drains and bridges. In order to understand the infrastructure development company in India, it is important to understand the government project contract types. In India, road projects are awarded via one of the three models. First, build, operate, transfer (BOT) model. Second, engineering, procurement and construction (EPC) model. And third, hybrid annuity model. BOT model. This was one of the earliest model of public-private partnership model used for road construction. The selected company is to build, maintain and operate the road. The contract was awarded to the company which share the maximum of toll revenue to the government or the minimum annuity that the government has to pay to the company yearly if not the toll collection. Here, all the risk such as land acquisition, construction risk, traffic risk and commercial risk lies with the development company. From year 2010 to 2014, government failed to attract any private players for road projects under BOT model. So, EPC model was brought in, where all 100% cost to build the road is provided by the government including the land acquisition. Private developers only will have to design and build the road for minimum price. Then about the HAM, hybrid annuity model. In 2016, government introduced the HAM model to bring back public-private partnership. It is a mix between EPC and BOT annuity model. Here, the government and the private companies has to share the total project cost in the ratio of 40-60 respectively. Basically, the private player will build the road and on completion, they will hand it over to the government. Then the government recovers the cost by toll collection. Then they pay the fixed amount of annuity annually to the private player for the defined period like 10 or 20 years as per the contract. The government will select the private player who asks for minimum annuity from the government. Now, let's see why we can invest in KNR construction. First reason is Surat-Chennai expressway. KNR Construction is one of the 17 private players applied the tender for this project. This is the mega project with a total cost of 45,000 crore rupees with a road length of 1,200 km. This big project will not be awarded to one single player, rather than the government divided into small segment of contracts. So winning any part of this contract by KNR Construction will be a huge boost for the stock price and it will push the stock price above rupees 310 to 320 rupees. We will know the results by end of April. Again, this product is also in the HAM model. The second reason is robust order book and strong execution. At present, along with the ongoing project, they got the order book of 10,000 crore rupees, which is 3 times of trailing 12 months revenue. The expectation is this order book will materialize in the revenue in next 2 to 3 years. The pie chart shows the segment-wise split on the order book under all the orders in South India. KNR construction is very good on project execution. Have a look at the chart. Grey bar indicates planned completion date and orange bar indicates the actual completion. They were always on time and they received bonus from government for completion of construction ahead of schedule. Then the third and final reason is strong fundamentals. The blue bar shows the company's revenue in the last 7 years including the trailing 12 months. So in 2015 the revenue is less than 1000 crores, but in 2022 this financial year for the TTM in 7 years it is increased to 3500 crore rupees. The same scenario for the operating profit. The operating profit increased from 137 crore rupees in 2015 to 741 crore rupees in TTM. In terms of percentage, they got the healthy sales growth and operating profit margin of 20% consistently. They reduced the net debt from 1200 crore rupees in September 2021 to 900 crore rupees in December 2021. But the positive thing here is that all the debt was sourced to fund the HAM project rather than the operation expense. Considering all those fundamentals at present, I valued the business as 8,700 crore rupees, which equates to rupees 310 per share. If they won the part of Surat-Chennai project, then the valuation will increase further. Please pause the video if required. These are the details of the project value that they completed in state-wise in the last 20 years in India. This shows their capability that they can execute project in all over India. Then finally, what is against investing in KNR construction? Reduction in promoter holding. Though the business is generating the money, promoter reduced the shareholding last year in 2 consecutive quarters. It raises the suspicious. Second reason, inflation. All the order book is based on a year ago cost of material. This year, the increase in raw material cost can dent the profit margin. Then the final reason is HAM projects. At present, government is issuing the tender mostly for HAM project only, which associated with a capital cost risk. About my investment, I'm very cautious. I haven't studied the price movement. So as an initial investment, I invested only 15,000 rupees in the stock. If it reached 310 rupees per share in 2 months, I will offload 40 number of stocks and hold the remaining 10 for study purpose. Consider subscribing the channel so it will motivate me to do more. Finally, disclaimer. Thanks for watching.